Ingredients: we need 2 cups of green moong soaked for around 4 hours, 1 inch of ginger, 4 green chilies, 100-gram cottage cheese or paneer, 1 capsicum, 1 pinch asafoetida, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 pinch baking soda, salt to taste, and coriander leaves. In a grinder, take green moong dal. I have soaked it around 3 to 4 hours. 3 green chilies, you can keep 2 also. 1 inch of ginger, little water, and grind them. I'll show you the consistency. This is what it looks like. I have coarsely grinded it. If you want, you can make it more smooth. Add 1 pinch of asafoetida, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, salt to taste, and now mix them well. Add 1 pinch of baking soda and again mix it for 1 minute. Do not mix for too long and it's ready to make the chilla. For stuffing, I have heated a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, some green chilies, some capsicum. Saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. Add cottage cheese or paneer, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, salt to taste, some red chili powder, and mix it for 1 minute. Stir continuously, and after a minute, add coriander leaves. Again mix it for 1 more minute, and the stuffing is ready. I have heated a dosa tawa here, brushing it with some oil. Put some batter and then we'll spread it in a circular motion. We will spread it evenly, keeping the thickness uniform from all sides. Please do not make it too thick or too thin. Just evenly spread from all sides like this. And now we'll brush some oil on top of it. I'm using mustard oil, you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Let it cook for 2 minutes and then flip it. Again, we will put some oil on the other side with the help of a brush and let it cook for 1 more minute. Flip it again and then we'll add stuffing on it. Add 2 spoons of paneer stuffing on one side of the chilla. Let it cook for 2 more minutes and then we'll fold it half. And now it's ready for the plating. Take it out in your serving plate and serve with your favorite coriander or mint chutney. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Here's a quick nutrition comparison between yellow moong and green moong. The reason why I choose green moong over yellow moong is the dietary fiber. If you see the calorie difference and the carbohydrate difference between the yellow moong and green moong, there's almost no difference. But the huge difference lies in the dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is actually a good carbohydrate and helps in digestion. Dietary fiber is a complex carbohydrate which keeps you full for a longer time. Hence, will keep you energetic and full for the rest of the day. So choose wisely A little difference in the choice of your food will make you go a long way in your health. If you like this recipe of mine, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.